1 pan fried rice. Going to use a frying pan as if it were a wok. First cooking the rice, then frying in the same pan. I'm going to add Chinese 5-spice for a wonderful, wonderful flavor. Let's start by cooking a cup of rice in 1.5 cups of water and 1/2 cup of chicken broth. That amount of liquid should be just enough to be fully absorbed by the time the rice is cooked. This is about right for 2 servings. Chop up 1/2 carrot, and add that to the rice so the carrot gets cooked at the same time. While the rice is cooking, shred enough cabbage to make 1/2 cup. Cut up 1/2 small onion. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. We'll add 1/2 pound of cooked peeled shrimp. I hate picking through my food to take off the tails, so let's do that now. And cut most of the shrimp into 2 or 3 pieces so there's shrimp in every forkful. Leave a few whole for decoration. Check if the water has been fully absorbed and boiled away from the rice. Push the rice to the side and start frying the other ingredients. Add sesame oil to the pan. Add the onion and fry for a minute. Add the cabbage. As each ingredient gets fried, start mixing it into the rice to make room for more. Add the shrimp. Add a half a cup of soy sauce. Add a third cup of frozen corn. Add a third cup of frozen peas. A teaspoon of garlic powder, a teaspoon of Chinese five spice for added flavor, mix well and make room in the pan. Some more oil. Crack in and scramble an egg. Chop up the egg with the spatula and mix it in with the rice. Taste it. Salt if required. Serve. Garnish with a few shrimps that were not cut up. Enjoy! There you have it. One pan fried rice with shrimp.